Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Copper to Webflow for new leads into CRM step by step clearly. To connect Copper to Webflow for new leads into your CRM, begin by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project you want to integrate with Copper. Open the project settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top left corner. Select the Integrations tab from the Settings menu. Scroll down to find the section for third-party integrations. Look for an option to add a new integration or API key. Open a new tab and log in to your Copper account. In Copper, navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Select API and Services from the Settings menu. Generate a new API key if you haven't already done so. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Return to your Webflow project settings. In the Integrations section, paste the API key into the designated field. Configure the options that align with how you want to manage leads in Copper. Make sure to map the Webflow form fields to their corresponding fields in Copper. Save the changes in Webflow settings. Next, go back to your Webflow site and access your form settings. Select the form you wish to connect to Copper. In the form settings, locate the Form Submission tab. Set the form to send submissions to the webhook or API you just configured. Test the integration by filling out the form on your Webflow site. Monitor Copper to ensure that leads are being added successfully. If issues arise, double-check the API key and field mappings for any discrepancies. With these steps completed, your Webflow lead should now automatically flow into Copper. You're now set to manage your new leads efficiently through your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.